What's up again, guys? You don't know it already. We're back in the kitchen again. Another exciting episode for you guys. Today we're gonna do a very simple dish for you guys today. So make sure you hit the subscription button, leave a like on this video, and don't forget to comment, leave your thoughts. I want to know what you guys out there are thinking while watching. All right, so stay tuned. All right, peeps, so these are the meat. Alright. Pasta day here, so we're gonna add the pasta to the pot to go and boil now in the meantime. You know what I mean? Yeah, boil up the pasta, you know what I mean? So get the pasta boiling, get it ready. So this is what we're gonna be using today in our sauce. So I'm just gonna start the seasoning process of this. Very easy and very quick, alright? Let's go. Regular seasoning, just a little bit of Cajun as usual. One of my favorite seasonings to use. Here we're just putting a little bit of garlic powder, another favorite. Alright, we have the onion, another favorite. Alright, a little crushed pimento as usual, and a little bit of crushed black pepper. Alright, also still adding a little of the all-purpose because I like my meat seasoned. Fully seasoned, right? So we're gonna go ahead and mix that up. It's kind of a little bit hard still, you know, but you know, it's gonna be okay. So we're just gonna leave that there so for marinate. We're gonna start cut up like the onion because I'm using mostly onion, garlic, you know, two main seasoning, alright?